Ladies and gents, it's Christmas in June. Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So, you're probably wondering, Evan, what's in the box? And I get asked semi-often, I see comments of like, Evan, why aren't you modding your car? Well, you guys are about to see, I'm a big fan of spending money on stuff that makes me that money. So, any guesses before we start opening it? We're going for it. Now, this was taped nicely. I ordered this a few weeks ago. It was actually on pre-order, a little hint there. I have one of these and absolutely loved it. And of course, the new one came out pretty much a month and a half after I bought the other one. So why not spend some money, right? Who doesn't love to get something nice? Oh, can you guys see it? Wow, nice bubble wrap. That's excellent. That definitely saved the package. I have a beautiful voice. My mom always told me that. I'm just kidding. All right, here we go, guys. We have the brand new, like literally brand new. I'm sure I'm probably one of the first people, like actual consumers, to get these. I know some content creators got them early, but I ordered this first thing as soon as it was released, and most places had them on back order. So you guys are probably wondering, Evan, really? If you guys can't see, right there, I got the RS2, and yeah, now I have the RS3, and I got the combo pack. I didn't need the Pro because I'm not using a cinema camera. Absolutely love this thing. It's phenomenal, but this had some really neat features that kind of made it a must for me. So let's open this bad boy up. Good thing I have scissors here. Now, you guys have probably seen on my channel, if you've been subscribed now for a couple months, that I have been doing some cinematic footage and videos. It is really, really fun. I seriously enjoy it. And so I figured, why not invest in some new equipment? Now, do I need this gimbal? Absolutely not. That one is absolutely fantastic. But, can I even get this dang thing open? But I saw this and the features just look super awesome. If you guys are looking for a super technical review, this is definitely not going to be it. This is more just an unboxing and sharing my new toy with you guys, because you will be seeing a lot of this content coming in the near future. By the way, there's the puppy. I don't know if you can see her. Oh, it's her tail. I thought something was falling. So, there we go. So that one right there, the RS2, I'm going to do a comparison video if you guys want to see that, because I know these are pretty much the same exact things, just newer with some new features. If you guys want to see a comparison, let me know. But I got that one. That is just the regular one. This is the combo pack. So this comes with all the bells and whistles, all the goodies, like this case, which right off the bat, honestly does feel fantastic. DJI always has amazing packaging and quality. I've had some other gimbals, and this one blew my other ones out of the water. I even had two Ronin M's, but this one, just the build quality is so, so good. Let's open this one up. We're doing no cuts, no editing here, so if you catch your boy rambling, that's all you're gonna get. But it has some good weight to it. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little heavier than I expected, but that's not a big deal. DJI Pro, hopefully you guys can see that. That is nice. All right, where's the zipper? Here we go. This is what y'all want to see right here. Nothing. Just kidding. All right, oh. So this one is the modular design compared to that one. That one, the battery is attached to the grip, whereas this one, you have the detachable batteries, which is super, super clutch. That is one of those things that battery lasts forever. I've used it like 2 or 3 times, and it's still at like 75% charge. But I'm not going to lie, I like that this has the replaceable battery, because God forbid anything ever happens down the road, I can just buy a new battery. I don't have to buy a whole new gimbal. But this is sick, because that one, with my monitor and everything else, I have to put it into like a separate bag. So I'm carrying like a bunch of bags. This is phenomenal. And quite honestly, I think my monitor will probably fit in here. But with the combo kit, you get a whole bunch of stuff. We're gonna try sitting down here. Hopefully the angle is still correct. This looks nice. This does feel very, very premium, very similar build quality to the RS2. first glance. This definitely has more of like an RS2 look to it with the red, because this one really doesn't have much red accenting. This is the small rig handle, which I love, but this one comes with the, oh, I just smudged the, okay, good, it has a cover on it. Ooh, I'm gonna see if they have a screen protector for this. Screen is definitely much larger in person compared to the RSC2. The follow focus, this is another one that I wanted to get, or a reason I went with the combo, is I want to be able to zoom in and out with my lens. I don't really care about focusing because I use autofocus, but with my lens, I find myself constantly having to turn off the gimbal, then zoom in manually and blah, blah, blah. This is clutch. That is going to be super nice. And here is the rest. These little things are just no need for those. Here is the briefcase handle. Build construction feels nice. So I upgraded on this one. I got the small rig because I wanted to attach the monitor to it. So we're gonna have to see, I believe this is like a 1/4 inch. I'll have to see if my monitor attachment works. Otherwise, I'm just gonna keep the small rig attachment and use that because it is the modular design, so it'll fit on here. That handle is sick. I got it perfectly lined up. This is the same exact design. So maybe I will use this one. I mean, in terms of quality, honestly, the small rig does feel better. This is, I don't know if you guys can hear that. SVT ASMR. Versus, this is a little bit more foamy. This is definitely better feel. This one feels almost like a hard plastic, but it's not quite hard plastic. So, I mean, I'll try this one out, but definitely I like the small rig feel better. In here, gosh, their packaging is so good. I'm assuming this is the battery. Yes, sir. So grip wise, a little stubbier, if not the same, but same exact texture. Feels great. Did they send it charged? For real, it's dead? Well, that's annoying. No, you know, not the end of the world, but that one came fully charged. This one is just completely dead on arrival, so good thing I don't need it right away. We're not gonna keep it in that. Are you guys like me? Sometimes I'll put it back in this like wrapping paper because, or oh, it's bubble wrap, just because I think it's gonna keep it safer. But let's face it, if it gets damaged in here, I'm an idiot. So what is this then? Oh, this is a tripod. There we go. Same exact tripod mount as that one. By the way, does someone want to buy that? Because I really don't need two. I really don't. I already have 6 lenses, 2 cameras. I don't need 2 gimbals. So yeah, that's what's in here. There's nothing in, oh. Okay, nothing in that pouch, so just a spare one. Get this stuff out of the way. What's in here? Oh, I'm glad I looked at that. Here is the motor. This is for focusing. Great build quality. It's actually kind of heavy, I'm not gonna lie. That does feel good. Hey, anything that's heavy typically means it's quality. There's the motor. I probably shouldn't manually move that too much because my luck. This I'm gonna keep in here. Probably doesn't do anything extra for me, but peace of mind. That's worth something, right? Let's open this up. Sorry for the play-by-play, guys. Not much of an unboxer by any stretch of the imagination, so just giving y'all my unbiased unboxing experience. Now, okay, I was about to say, does it come with any cables? Which ones are these? USB-C to USB-C, so that is not the charger, so this would be the charger. Okay, so we're gonna charge this one up. This is for the mounting bracket, so I don't know what, these just must be spare cables to attach to my camera. Got it. I'm gonna be, so I use my A7R3 for photos and I have the A7R2 for video. So I actually have this cable right here from this gimbal. I use the USB-C to micro USB because this one allows me to do the recording and I can adjust the focus or the zoom, all that stuff. So I will be keeping this cable. Maybe I will keep both gimbals because I'm kind of an idiot and I like to spend money. So yeah, there you go, guys. That is the unboxing. I know that was not the most technical review or unboxing you guys have ever seen, but if you're in the market for one of these, first impressions just with the unboxing, I'm a fan. Oh, what the heck is this? Oh, okay, so this is, so I can mount it, the focusing motor to work with the lens. Got it. I gotta put this stuff back because I'm gonna end up misplacing this and being SOL. I think this was in here, little strap that I have no clue what that does. I must go around for the super, whatever the heck they call it, super steady or steady super. Interesting, so that must be for the battery. Uh-oh, I just got stuck. Uh-oh. Look at that, I already freaking broke it. Just kidding, but I can't get that to move. Come on. All right, look at that. That's what I get. I fiddle around and I might have just broken the dang thing. Not really, this should probably just pop in and it'll. And then I'm assuming you just go. There's no way it's supposed to be this hard. Dang, is it really that? Wow, okay, it does not feel, okay, we're good, we're good. Grip feels a little bit fatter. Looks nice. A little extra padding there. Cool, cool, cool. All right, well, you guys have seen enough. There you go. There's my unprofessional unboxing. I'm gonna do a comparison video between the two, and you guys are gonna see some sick cinematics. I told you I'm gonna put together a really good video for my 1,000 subscriber milestone, which we hit. So that should be coming hopefully in the next couple weeks. But we're going to be putting this bad boy to use, and you guys are going to be seeing some awesome cinematic footage because I have some shoots lined up with some pretty nice cars. So that is going to be sick. So yeah, guys, you've seen enough here. I'm going to go charge this bad boy up and expect some videos here in the very near future. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you guys want to see more of these, gimbal stuff, or have any questions, let me know. I'll answer them. I can do more videos, but I'm rambling. You guys know how I go. Peace out, have a good one, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Later, guys.